Unlock your business potential with System.io. Discover how to effortlessly create stunning sales funnels, automate your marketing, and skyrocket your revenue, all in one powerful platform. Ready to turn your ideas into income? Let's dive in. So hi guys and welcome in this video where I will show you all things that you need to start with System.io affiliate. So first of all, I have to do is open your web browser and dive into System.io. So this is the homepage and welcome to System.io. You're all in one platform designed to empower entrepreneurs and online marketers, whether you are launching a new product, building an email list, or creating an engaging sales funnel. System.io has everything you need to streamline your process and boost your success. With user-friendly tools for automation, landing page creation, and affiliate management, you can focus on what really matters. Growing your business, join our community, and start turning your vision into reality today. So as you can see, first thing that you have here is get the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform. So if we scroll down, we have here System.io is the easiest way for you to create sales funnels, send marketing emails, build websites, manage your affiliates, create online courses, automate your marketing, and let's scroll down to sign up. So if you want to become an affiliate, all you have to do is click over here, become an affiliate. Once you do that, you will find this page, which is over than $5 million in commissions paid to our affiliates. We have here earn 60% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription or course. Then we have your strong affiliate tracking, open and simple rules. Anyone can be an affiliate. So all you have to do is write your email address here and you click over join and start earning affiliate commissions. So then if we scroll down, we have here how to get started as an affiliate. The first step is read our short guide on everything you need to know about System.io, and then we have step 2, it's read the info page about how System.io affiliate program works. Then the third step, which is check out our branding page to find all the assets you will need to create content about System.io. And we have here this last step, which is access our affiliate swipe folder to find loads of promotional resources for all of our offers. Then we have here what is System.io, a fast and simple marketing tool that has everything you need to launch, grow, and scale your online business. Build sales funnels, send emails, create and manage online courses, run affiliate programs, build a website, and automate almost every aspect of your marketing. We have System.io free plan and earn 60% lifetime recurrent commissions if one of your rewards purchases a paid plan. So you can just get started. So once you write your email address and you write your personal information, you will find this page. So this is the dashboard here. So right now I will show you how you can get started. So the first thing that you have to do right now is just click over upgrade, and I will show you here payment or the price. So here we have it's for free, as you can see, or you contact sales funnels here, and blogs, courses, automation rules, workflows, tag email campaigns, click up sales, order bumps and tests. You have a couple codes, custom domains, evergreen webinars and marketplace here, communities, variants also, and you have also here this one. This is startup one, webinar, and you have a limited, and the last one have a limited of all listings. So if you click over settings and you click over payment gateways, you will find here how you can get your payments. So you have your Stripe, PayPal, Razor Pay, Molly, and Flutterwave. We have Go Cardless, Paystack, and we have Secure Cash on Delivery. So you can just use the one you want. So to create a product, all I have to do is click over product and you choose the one you want. For example, physical products here, you click over create and you write your name, your description, and this information like product tags, currency, price, weight, inventory, shipping, and then you click to upload here. Then you click over option here also, and you write your name here, and you add another option also. Here we have shipping, limit stock also for this product, and then you click over save. So this is how it works with this physical products. Then we have here coupon orders also. You can just link this information, then you click over create. Then we have also here courses, add new courses. Here we have, I already have a courses here and I will delete it here. Then we have here add new course. You write your name, your domain, and you write your URL path, and then you choose the one you want. Then you click over save. And then we have here communities also. You can just click over create and you write your name, domain name, path, then you click over save. So this is how you can create products. Right now I will show you how you can create a sales funnels. So first you have just to click over create, then you write your name, your funnel domain, you choose your funnel goal here, build an audience, sell, custom, run an evergreen webinar, you choose your currency here, then you click over save. So this is how you can create sales funnels and also how you can create a products on Systeme.io. So I will show you now how you can make money draw a Systeme.io. So making money draw a system can involve several strategies depending on the type of system in question. For an instance, if you are looking at an online platform, you might consider affiliate marketing where you earn commissions by promoting products or services. Another approach is creating and selling digital products such as ebooks or online courses, leveraging your expertise. Subscription-based models can also be profitable, allowing you to generate recurring revenue by offering exclusive content or services. Additionally, utilizing advertising on websites or social media can bring in passive income. Ultimately, the key is to identify a system that aligns with your skills and interests while providing value to your audience. So this is how we can get started with Systeme.io. So earning money through a system requires a strategic approach tailored to your strengths and market demand. Whether through affiliate marketing, digital product sales, or subscription models, the possibilities are vast. By focusing on providing value and engaging your audience, you can create a sustainable income stream. With dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your efforts into a successful venture that not only generates revenue but also fulfills your passions. So this is how it works with Systeme.io. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.